come to the next part, that is classification of hydrocarbons. Okay, so hydrocarbon is classified into two types. Number one is your open chain, number two is your closed chain. Okay, it is open chain and closed chain. Open chain example, you can take this one. This one is the open chain and this one is the closed chain. You can take the example of closed chain. The name of open chain compounds are aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic compounds. Okay, and the closed chain structure we will discuss. First come to the aliphatic compounds. Open chain structure, that means the chain is open, not attached closely, but it is the closed chain, you can say. Okay, for the closed chain minimum 3 carbons we require. By taking 2 carbons we cannot form closed chain. Closed structure is the first closed structure is your triangle like this. So here it is generally 3 types: alkane, alkene and alkyne. These are the 3 names: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so what is alkane, what is alkene, what is alkyne? See, it is the example of one alkane. If all bonds are single bonds, single bond, these are all are single bond. Okay, no more hydrogen can be added. No more hydrogen can be added. And the other name of this is also saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. These are known as alkane. If the single bond is present, these are known as alkane. And the last part we add only ane, alkane, ane. If double bond is present, like this, here see, this carbon is attached to here 1, so only 1 bond can be there. Here 2 already attached, so 2 bonds can be there. Okay, here double bond is there, double bond. Okay, so here it is alkene, so last word is your ene, in, and it is unsaturated. Okay, this is saturated. Why? More number of hydrogen we can't add here, but here we can add more number of hydrogens. By splitting the double bond we can add. Therefore it is known as the unsaturated. Don't worry for this, we will discuss about this alkane, alkene and alkyne in very detail in the next. Only for the classification you see what is alkane, what is alkene and what is alkyne. Alkane means single bond present between the carbons. If double bond present, then it is alkene. For the alkyne, triple bond is mandatory. Like this, see here, tetravalency satisfied, as this carbon is connected with 3 bonds, here 1 bond, tetravalency satisfied. Here 3 bond, so 1 bond more. Here 2 bonds already attached, so 1 and 2 more, 2 bonds we can attach. Okay, this is alkyne. So last part is your in, wine, sorry, it is wine. It is also unsaturated, not saturated. So these are the open chain structure: single bond structure, double bond structure and triple bond structure. Now come to the closed chain structure. Closed chain structure is again divided into 2 types: alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. In the aromatic compounds, generally we use benzene. Okay, what is the general formula of benzene? C6, H also 6. Okay, what is the structure of benzene? Alternate double bond you have to attach. Okay, and in each carbon 1 number of hydrogens are attached. Carbon also 6, hydrogen also 6. Here C, tetravalency already satisfied. Here also tetravalency satisfied. Here also tetravalency satisfied. Here also tetravalency satisfied. Okay. So this structure is the benzene structure. And alicyclic means any closed structure. Like this, pentagonal structure. Here you can place carbons. Accordingly, you can place hydrogen also. If triangular structure, this is also alicyclic structure. That means closed structure, but not benzene ring. Closed structure, but not benzene rings. Okay. Therefore, it is benzene ring. It is alicyclic. It is aromatic. One important thing I want to tell you, the word aroma. What is the meaning of aroma? Why it is named as aromatic? Aroma means sweet smell. The compounds which have sweet smell, that is known as aroma. The benzene compounds have very sweet smell. Okay. Therefore, they are known as aromatic compounds. Okay. You can say alicyclic is also in three types. That is cycloalkane, cycloalkene, and cycloalkyne. Cyclo like this, alkane, alkene, alkyne. In closed structure, cycloalkane, cycloalkene, and cycloalkyne. In benzene, this aromatic compound is also two types. One is benzenoid. The second one is non-benzenoid. This is the classification.